What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Sneak Peeks with Josh, and we're back again with another one. It's been a while, it's been a little time, but it's well overdue. And I must say, if you are new to this channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and just tune in if you are interested in a lot of dope snake reviews and just great energy. So with that being said, tune in.
Like she the nanny, hair was super fast. Did a Grammy, I handed her some runs and then she looked at me like, damn it.
So we're back, and I must say I feel good. I feel great, and I hope you guys are too. Me, I definitely love the fact that I have this show in possession. I definitely own it, and it's just an exciting pair. So I'm not gonna hold y'all up too much. So let's get into it. If y'all know, y'all know. Normally I say we're gonna lose the box. Normally I say we're gonna just get this out of here. But those of you guys that do and don't know, we have the Air Max 1 Clot. This sneaker is fire. A lot of details from this box. So we're gonna get into this. As you guys can see, once I lift up this lid, as you guys can see, we have the nice menu here that basically shows that Chinese foot reflexology, and it also has a little term for the body, such as your sinus, your ears, your eyes, and much more as you go down the list. But then when we put this lid down and you guys see that nice, calm, clean paper that they have, this collection and collaboration is dope. The paper alone has some fire little swirls going on, and then as we lift it up a little more, we get right into that dope sneaker. So we're going now officially lose this box and get into this. Before we jump into the details about this heater right here, it's only right we talk about the original. And you know, that original definitely started off in 2006. The tone was pretty much different. It was much more brown, much more similar in the form with that invisible toe, and just the whole history behind it with the whole foot reflexology, the stress points, and things of that sort in terms of just more details, how they go about their foot acupuncture, and things of that sort. But 15 years later, releasing March 27th, 2021, we have the Air Max Clot Kiss of Death. As you guys see, as I said in the beginning, we will go into a lot of details, but this one right here, it's only right we break it down from the sole all the way down to that upper. As you guys know, I'm a man of details. I'm a man of different tones and styles. In terms of where I don't see too many people wearing the same thing, I also go for, and I just want to be more different. You know, more so in that different color tone, more so different in silhouettes. But this one right here, on that sole, as you guys see, we have that foot layer, and it's basically a foot blueprint. It highlights the heel of the foot, the ball, the everything down to the core. It's a little bright, but it's alright. This one is cool. As you guys see above, the colors, the numbers, everything you guys see here, it kind of basically highlights in that box panel on that piece that I showed you. It shows from numbers 1 through 29. As you guys see, I do have a little bit of focus in this brightness. I hope it's cool, but as you guys see, we break it down more, and as we get into that little midsole, we have that nice orange tone. It's a different type of orange to me. It's pretty bright. It's pretty much difficult for me to find a color that matches that orange, but just being that it's popping out as much as it does is very different. So I will be throwing an early comb stamp for this one. As you guys go up on this, onto the, you know, the base layer, I would call it, we have this nice tan suede. This suede is so clean. One thing I would say as a negative in terms of this shoe, this suede does kind of shut off. If you do have it, like if you're cleaning it or lacing it up and things like that, it does come off a little bit, but overall it is a fire shoe. When you get to this Nike check, there is also this snakeskin layer on there that pops out crazy. It's a crazy tone. It shines, as you guys can see. It has a shimmer, and it's just cool how they just were able to flex and throw that in there. And then, as you guys see, we're gonna keep it going. If you do like what you see, and if you are still tuned in, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment and let me know how y'all feel on this pin. But as you guys see, the most important part to me is this invisible toe. First time I seen the invisible toe was on the Invisible Woman Fantastic Four Air Force Ones that released way back in the days. I would say about 2005. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it was the Invisible Woman Air Force One. And as you guys go up the tongue prior to that nice dope invisible toe, we do have this nice red tumbled leather going up the tongue with little hints of the nice lime green, neon green, and that Nike Air going across the tongue, and also at the top of these lace holes. It's a dope pair overall. And me, I'm not somebody that always is in tune with the soles of the sneaker, but the insoles on this one is by far dope. One that highlights the list of all the body parts, and then on the other side, it also highlights the leg structures in Chinese history and heritage. But another dope way this shoe was certified, and a great way that whole brand stamped this shoe was definitely highlighting on the back of it with their emblem, followed by that nice, the textures on it, and then also on that red back panel here, as you guys see, it is 3M. So with the light shining or in the dark, it adds a little shimmer. But me, I felt like it was a dope shoe. Y'all leave y'all comments, y'all give me some vibes. Just know we got a lot more coming soon. And also, just let me know how you guys feel. And would this be one you cop? Because you can switch up your socks in there as well. But it's your boy Sneak Peeks with Judge, and we definitely gonna sign out with a nice howl. And we're gonna throw one more clone stamp out there for you guys. And we'll see y'all later. Peace.
I talk that shit, I talk my talk. She keep asking what we are. I told her baby nothing fancy. Don't panic. You can keep your heart in your panties. I vanished. I was getting mopped in the fan. These fiber optic lens got these Cartiers like cameras. Diamonds hitting hard. She told her man that I'm a family. She bagging up the babies in the trap like she a nanny. Hair was super fast. Did a Grammy. I handed her some runs and then she looked at me like damn. Heard that little so-and-so got hit up by the